Imagine your TikTok videos posting themselves while you're sleeping or at work. That's exactly what I'm about to show you.
So I was asked, how do you schedule your post on TikTok? Just like you can schedule your post on Facebook, Instagram, and several other platforms. So if you also have that question, this video will help you out. Now, the first thing you will want to do is to go to your Play Store and download the TikTok schedule app. TikTok schedule app. So head over to your TikTok app. The moment you open your Play Store, like I said, you need to download the TikTok Studio application. TikTok Studio application. So you need to search for it. If you're using iPhone, you go to your App Store and search for TikTok Studio. The moment you search for it, you tap on it, then you'll be asked to install it. For me, it is showing update because I already have it in my phone, so I will just update it. The moment you finish installing the TikTok Studio app in your phone, you will need to open the TikTok Studio app. When you open it, you'll be asked to log in to your TikTok account. So click on create, click on upload, you can also do auto cut from here. So I'll click on upload, then I'll select the file I want to upload and click on next. After you click on next, you'll be brought to this page where you can now add the caption of your video together with the description as well as deciding if you want to schedule the post or not. If you look below here, after everyone can view this post, you will see schedule. So if you want to schedule it, you tap on it, schedule post, then you select the day, today. As you can see, that showing me today, which is today. Today is 26th of June, tomorrow is 27th. Then you choose the time as well. You want to upload it around 11 o'clock, you want to upload it 4 minutes after 11. So you select the time and the day. So I selected 27 June, 4 minutes after 3. Are you seeing it? Then once you're done with every settings, you put your hashtag and everything, then you click on schedule. The moment you do that, it will be uploaded on that schedule, and the moment the time reaches for it to upload, it will automatically upload on your TikTok account. Alright, so this is how you schedule a post. If you check now, you see schedule here, it is indicated here together with the time. So don't forget to give a like, comment and share, and follow as well. See you in the next video.